Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI Y90 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's just select the application and after that drag this app to another one. Now just tap here to get it, and here we can see the new created home screen folder on our device screen. If you want to add here more applications by the same way, just you should hold and drag this application to this folder. Also you can add the applications by the second way, just by click here to this plus, and after that just to select the applications which you want to add to your folder. After that just tap here to OK, and now we can see here the result. If you want to rename the folder, just tap here once on the name, click on the X icon to remove the name in the old name in one click, and after that enter the new one. For example, let's use the apps. Tap here to done and to the home button, and you'll see here the changes that will just successfully change name of our home screen folder. We can move this folder also here on the screen, just hold and drag it by this way. If you wanna just resize the folder, click here to enlarge, and we can see that just this folder, we just make this folder bigger. We can make it smaller by the same way. If you want to move folders between the screens, just hold and drag it. And also we can create the new screens for the folder. Just to do that, hold it and drag it down here to the new screen to the right corner of our old screen. If you want to remove the applications from here, just hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to just remove a couple of apps in one click, just tap here to this plus icon, and after that just unselect the applications. For example, we can unselect all of them, just tap to OK, and now we can see that we just have these applications here on our device home screen, and we'll just remove the folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.